So remember this shortcut code Alt 128186. So after opening the Microsoft Word in your Windows computer, if you want to create a seat symbol, then you can simply go to your computer keyboard, and there you can see the number lock key. So if it is on, you must turn on the number lock. Now you have enabled the number lock. Now you can see an Alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this Alt key. Don't remove your finger from this Alt key, and at the same time you must type here 1 2 8 1 8 6. After typing that, you can simply release your finger from this Alt key. So here you can see that the seat have been come here. So we have created using an Alt code the seat symbol in MS Word. This video is for more videos. Subscribe. Thank you.